Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the amazing fish barbecue sauce, okay? That kind of sauce that when you use it to grill your fish, the aroma is going to fill the whole place and people are going to be asking you, how did you make this sauce? It's going to taste so nice, so unique, and it's going to remind you of, back in the days and those kind of fish barbecue that your mom or your grandma would make for you and that you miss so much. So this is it. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how to make this sauce. So this video doesn't contain content on how to grill the fish. All I'm showing you is how to make the amazing fish barbecue rub that you can use to grill the fish. However, I'm just showing you here that I'm using, or that I used, two catfish, and I did wash them with some limes. You can also use lemons and hot water to thicken the skin. However, guys, if you want me to make a video on how to grill the fish with this sauce, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do so. But for the sauce, let's go. So we're going to be blending some tomatoes, some bell peppers, whatever you can lay your hands on, the yellow bell peppers, the orange, the red, the green bell peppers. And I did find one kind of pepper that looked somewhat brown, but it has this amazing taste. I'm not sure what it's called, but it really adds to the flavor. So yeah, all the bell peppers you can find, and some tomatoes. Now blend. It shouldn't be extremely smooth, but you should just give it a good blend, because when we put it on the fish for barbecue time, we still want to see the particles of the sauce in the fish. So next we're going to add some onions as well. I use red onions. If you have white onions, great. So use whatever onions you have. But amazing fact, red onions should or must be a part of this recipe. Even if you want to add white onions, make sure you add red onions to it. So next, this is another secret ingredient. I know a lot of you would have heard of this green spice. This is really amazing, guys. So this is the green spice that I'm making. Consists of different herbs. I'm going to do a separate video on this because I really want to talk to you guys about the health benefits of all these herbs, why you should use it in your kitchen, why you should always have it in your fridge, and how to make it and store it. So this is the green spice that I'm making. I'm trying to make a new batch that I'm going to store in the fridge. So I'm just going to toss it in the same blender. It doesn't matter if it has like trace of tomatoes or what I blended before in it. So I'm going to add all the grains in this to make the green spice. And then I'm going to add the green spice to the sauce. This gives it this distinct. I am telling you, no one is gonna be able to tell what you put in it just by perceiving. They're gonna ask you, and you're gonna have to give them the recipe. This is amazing. So, and for this requires a good blend. So toss in some oil in the pan and then proceed to put in what we blended, all the goodness. Now you see how it's not really smooth like a puree, but it's mixed well together, but still shows you the particles in it. It's really necessary that you blend it this way so that when you put it in the fish, you're gonna see the traces of it, and it's gonna have this amazing texture, and everything is gonna melt in the fish. Okay, so next we're gonna allow this to cook under low heat, or allow it fry under low heat, and we're gonna be adding our seasoning, our salt. At this point, if you love pepper, you want it really spicy and hot, you can go ahead to add whatever hot sauce or extra chili that you want. But no, I don't like it too pepperish. So yeah. So this is the green spice, like I told you. This is one amazing secret recipe ingredients in it. So this will cook on the low heat and stir frequently and allow this to just simmer in and release all its nutrients and ingredients in it. I did use just a little portion of this because I really wanted to store the remaining part of this in the fridge in the freezer. If you're going to use it immediately, it might be worthwhile to leave it in the fridge. But if you made different batches like what I did, I did have some in the fridge and the others in the freezer, the ones in the fridge for immediate use. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the color has calmed down, has dulled down, and it has melted a bit, and you can see that even the liquid oozing out from the mixture has everything in it, so it's looking well. The liquid is not looking separated. Everything has mixed well and cooked well, and this is how it looks like once I've added it to the fish. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Give this video a like and comment. I'm gonna get back to it. Thank you so much and God bless you.